Forest fam, hear that rushing water? Time to explore where no foot's gone before, except mine.
Vine whip. Vine ambush. They know I'm getting close to something big.
Ooh, yeah. Moss, mystery, and maybe bear breath?
Well, well, a rock with a mouth. Let's see what it's hiding.
If I get eaten by cave goblins, tell the squirrels I said hi.
H-E-L-O-O! Echo rating? 12 out of 10. Acoustics are fire.
Okay, that bat did not pay rent. Vine ambush. They know I'm getting close to something big.
Dark. Damp. Built-in AC. I give it a...
Next stop, tree life. Hope this backpack makes it.
No way, a treehouse. Humans. Elves. Forest architects.
This ladder is older than my grandpa's beard.
Cozy. Smells like pine and old granola.
You can see forever up here. Even my old cave from earlier.
Ancient raisins. And a squirrel-drawn treasure map.
Treehouse nap test. Yep, elite breeze to snore ratio.
No way, a treehouse.
Humans? Elves? Forest architects?
Which hideout wins? Let's break it down.
Cave stays dry. Treehouse, not so much. Bring a leaf hat. Cozy, smells like pine and old granola.
Cave, 7. Treehouse, 8.5. Math done. Fight me.
May the next explorer find them and add snacks.
Treehouse don't want me to leave.
Feet cleaned, snack ready. Hideout judging requires calories.
This one's angry. I used his nap spot in the treehouse.
Cave wins for summer naps. Treehouse turns into a bread oven.
Cave, ancient rock funk. Treehouse, pine and mystery socks. Stone beats wood when you're cooking soup or staying warm.
Testing unpack speed. Cave has flat rocks. Treehouse has gravity.
This bluebird says I rated the cave too low. We're negotiating.
Cave feels grounded. Treehouse? Like flying in your sleep. Cave, ancient rock funk. Each spot's got charm, but neither feels fully me.
What if I mix both? Tree roots, cave walls, canopy roof.
If squirrels can build cities, I can build one hideout.
Flat ground. Trees with strong arms. Feels like destiny.
Strong base. No wobbly naps in my future.
Primitive carpentry level. Furry wizard.
No forest hideout complete without roof sleeping mode.
Behold, the tree caverns. Forest luxury, Bigfoot style.
Final score, 10 versus 10. Squirrels agree. Probably.
Forest fam, I built this with bark, hope, and weird ideas. See ya next adventure.
Hospitality time. Forest guests welcome. No howling after midnight.
My new roommates. They pay rent in acorns and attitude.
Tonight, root and mushroom soup. Smells better than it looks.
Fire's warm, forest's quiet. Perfect time for weird Bigfoot thoughts.
Owls hooting, bugs chirping, one frog keeps belching. Classic.
If I snore, it's not me.
Testing roof, drip proof so far. Cross your claws. My new roommates. They pay rent in acorns and attitude.
And we've got a leaky leaf seam. Patch coming tomorrow.
Midnight roofing. Didn't expect to become a handyman today.
Morning fog rating. Spooky but beautiful. Like mysterious soup.
Rating 8-10. Good sleep, minor leaks, no bear snuggles. Fox cam activated. I call him Red Tail. He's judging me.
Hey, that's my soup stick. Come back, thief.
Stronger, leak-proof, and squirrel-proof, hopefully.
Hideout score with nap bonus? 9.5. Tree breeze is unmatched.
Bigfoot beat drop. Forest rave at 3 p.m. sharp.
That one looks like a bear riding a canoe. Or I'm hungry.
Message received. Translation. Plant more berries.
Time to move on. But this hideout stays in the Forest family.
See ya next adventure. Leave no trace, except cool footprints.